Namaste, how are you guys? So, yeah. Amazon का Prime Day sale था and I also had to get a lot of things, new things for my new house. So I went a little crazy and we are gonna unbox everything right now itself. So yeah, I'm also gonna take my mom's help because काफी कुछ है. Now without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first I think we'll start with that because वहाँ पे थोड़ा कम है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. Okay, so the first thing I got is storage boxes. So there are like 1, 2, like separate boxes है ये. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 boxes. I'm so upset that some of them are cream and 2 of them are like white. So I have like 4 cream and 2 white. ये stackable है कि ऊपर एक रख सकते हैं. I have a lot of drawers now, Alex drawers and everything. So I think I'm gonna keep my like makeup organized with this. 4 cream है, but ऐसे कैमरा में तो दिख नहीं रहा है. But हाँ, real life में दिख रहा है थोड़ा cream, like off white है और फिर bright white है ऊपर वाला. So oh my god. So I have 8 of them. I thought I have 6, but I have 8. Yeah. 4 whites नहीं, 2 white ही है, बाकी सब off white है. So got that for storage. Going over to the next box now. Box के अंदर box. Too much fun. Okay, so we have over here glasses. और काफी अच्छी पैकिंग है यार. So plain glasses, 6 का set था ये. Love them. काफी simple है but unique. The next thing we have, next box. मेरे को ना इतना डर लग रहा है कुछ भी खोलने को क्योंकि इसमें भी कांच की चीजें हो सकती है. So this are like jars, containers basically. But it has like spoon in it. So let me just arrange. This is how it looks. It has a spoon inside. You can put like salt, sugar and everything here. And ऊपर का top से वैसे pull करने से you can like remove it. And then just like put. So I got 2 spoons wala for sugar and salt, and then 1 brush wala for oil. So it will be easy for me to like just brush things like rotis. I found this to be really unique. At glass का बना हुआ है, plastic नहीं है. So got that for salt, sugar and oil. So 3 bottles इसके लिए है. In the next box we have, I think I know what this is. Yep. So inside this we have plain glass bottle, obviously to keep water inside, and ये ऐसा वाला ढक्कन है इसका, तो ये ऐसे remove हो सकता है, and then you can just put it back on and tighten it. Wait, मैंने उल्टा लगाया, हाँ हो गया tight. So ये एक बॉटल है, मैंने 2 बॉटल लिए, एक और है इसमें. It's better to keep water inside glass. Like I find it better to keep it inside glass instead of plastic bottles. So मेरे dad ने मेरे को बोला plastic लेना ही मत, सब glass ले ले. So yeah, we have one more tiny box and then we'll open the huge one. This is coffee. I got the vanilla and hazelnut before only. I like the vanilla one. Hazelnut इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा मेरे को. I got 2 new flavors. One is caramel and the other one is original one. So I got like 2 flavors. 1 पे 1 था, ऐसा कुछ set था, पता नहीं क्या. But original flavor coffee bean का है. And then the caramel one. I'm really excited to try out the caramel one because I make caramel coffee myself with the whole caramel essence and like syrup and all. So let's hope मेरे को उतना सब ना करना पड़े after using this caramel coffee. So yeah, I got that. This huge box. इसके अंदर मेरे मॉम की कुर्ती है, मैं नहीं बताने वाली ये सब. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नहीं, ये 5वां तो मेरा है, ये बता देती हूँ मैं. This is basically a loose fit denim. I live for this now. I live in this. So, it has pockets Yes, it has pockets. Love it. So काफी loose है and I like the color, like it's proper blue, like denim blue. Elastic है ऊपर. So like high waisted होगा probably. Yes, it is high waisted. We got Bata se shoes. I know, it wasn't needed, but sale पे था यार. मना कैसे कर सकती थी मैं? Oh my god, this looks nice. So ये ऐसे दिखते हैं. Brown fake leather obviously. And it has like this block heel. Love it. पहन के तो देखना पड़ेगा भाई. Proper unboxing ऐसी होती है. अच्छा दिख रहा है guys. ये. Like you know, you see that white part. Leather थोड़ा सा निकला हुआ है. But return नहीं करने वाली मैं. It's okay. यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा निकला हुआ है leather. ये सेल में ऐसी सब होता है. But it looks nice. Like what the price that I paid. So it's okay. Next thing we have cooking set. It is. Why is this? I was thinking why is it looking red, but it's not red, so it's pink. This is looking so nice. So I got this specially because it's pink. So कढ़ाई है, 2 पैन है, नए घर के लिए है ये. देखो ना ऐसे पता नहीं क्यों रेड लग रहा है, बट खोलते ही पिंक हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो पिंक है. So pigeon का है. One is that kadhai, the other one that the pan that I just showed, and ये dosa roti pan है, वो भी pink. So got 3 lid के साथ आया हुआ है, just in case if you're wondering. So yeah, got just this pink. And the next thing I got is like a dinner set. So यहाँ पे it's plain white, cello का है, and इस पे भी deal था. It was for 1,000 only and 16 या 18 pieces है इसमें. So plain white bowls. I have like 6 bowls. ये 3 है और 3 है उसमें. And then I have small plates. And this is also microwave safe. It's extra strong and chip resistant. So got that. And then obviously the bigger plates we have. Oh, bigger plates भी इतनी भी बड़ी नहीं है, normal size ही है, but decent for the price that I got it for. And I wanted like plain white. So in the next box we have box के अंदर box. Too much fun. We have. What is this? Ramekins है ये. Basically used for baking like desserts and all. I hope it's oven. नीचे लिखा नहीं है. तो I hope oven में डाल सकती हूँ मैं इसको, क्योंकि इसमें लिखा नहीं है तो I'm like worried now. But so 6 piece का set था ये भी, और ऐसे ही सारे pieces हैं. Not very big also. I'll say it's decent size. Next thing we got is yeah, I know what this is. So it's like a mat. Oh my god, yeah, it's exactly how it was in the picture. I like it. So ये घर के बाहर रखने के लिए, it says welcome, and I really like the font. I'm gonna keep this outside my house. So yeah, got that. Decent length भी है इसका. So नए घर पे जाएगा ये. The next thing I got is, oh yes, masala bottle, the mirchi, dhania powder and everything. I'll put it in this, and it's also like turnable. So masala इसके अंदर और turn भी हो सकता है, तो nice fancy thing. और ये bottle is like, obviously you can open it and put your like use your spoon and then use this like that, or you can use it for like as sprinkles also, because वो opening भी है इसमें. So this thing I got are some shoes again. Bata का box है, and oh my god, yes. So they are plain black, and it doesn't have like, it has like pointy heels, shiny है थोड़े, and yeah, decent size. I like it. Moving on, the next thing I got is Wipro Smart Bulb. ये actually किसी के साथ आया जो बाद में maybe खुलेगा कभी. So उसके साथ ये free था. Smart bulb है. Let me open this and see if it's broken or not. No, it's not broken. So it's like smart bulb. Basically, you know what I'm talking about. ठीक है? RGB light है. कहीं पे भी लगा दो और कौन सा भी color select कर लो और yeah, you have yourself a smart bulb. Next thing we got are some measuring spoons. नए घर के लिए, ये घर के लिए तो है. So measuring spoons and cup. Wow. So there are like 8 pieces. सारे measuring, मतलब सारे measurements के हैं spoons यहाँ पे. And cups भी है 4 different measurements के. So yeah. Then I got this slim milkshake. Basically, Saffola का है ये fit Tiffy gourmet shake है. So you can skip your meals and just have this instead. So at times, I don't feel like eating much. So I'll probably have this. I got this in, by the way, Swiss chocolate flavor. So yeah. And it was obviously 1+1, so I got like 2 of it. Next thing we have is, oh yes, so ये आपको मेरे vlog में पता चल जाएगा. It's basically like a rack. I don't want to open it right now because वो घर में arrange करना है, तो vlog में दिख जाएगा तुम्हें. So bathroom के लिए I use this. Even in this house I'm using that. So basically I arrange all my shampoos, conditioners, body washes and everything. I keep it on that rack. So 4 level का है. Here's the picture just in case if you are wondering what it looks like. And vlog में assemble कर लूँगी तो आपको दिख जाएगा. We have another box. Yeah. Inside that we have the measuring cup. ये काफी वीडियोस में देखा होगा तुमने फैंसी वाले. Basically, so you can use this to measure according to like cup, also according to like ml. And let's go ahead and open the next box. क्योंकि काफी पतला सा ही है. भाई साहब. Anyway, so इसके अंदर we have. Oh yes. Thank God it's not broken. So ये basically एक welcome plate जैसा I'll be using. So it's plain wood finish and I was planning to actually paint it myself because you can, right? If you look at the material, I think you can. So I'm gonna paint this and then we can just either stick this or hang it on the door or anywhere else outside. So घर के welcome के लिए मैंने ये लिया हुआ है. So these are basically jars for the kitchen. So you can store things inside as well. And this is the size. I got it with like the blue lid. I think there are colors available for this as well. Plastic ka hai, not the glass. Transparent hai. So let me just remove this as well. So you can see what's inside. I like it because it's like square instead of those round jars. And I got like a pack of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 jars. So next box we have kitchen stuff again. So it's a set of 3 trays, plain white again. This is what it looks like. It has this. I like such trays instead of those trays where there's nothing to hold. So like इसमें तुम पकड़ भी सकते हो stand. You can just go ahead and serve. So 3 sizes है. एक ये size है. This one. So first, second, this huge one. It's not super huge. Decent size है. So mine का है, by the way, just in case if you're wondering. It's not microwave safe. It's just dishwasher safe. Next box. It's a really weird packing. You can. Okay, so inside this we have dessert bowls. So this is what the bowl looks like. It has this sign. Obviously, I'll go ahead and remove it. But ice cream and whatnot you can serve in this. And simple hai, काफी fancy भी नहीं है इतना. But I like how it has like this thingy, like proper as ice cream bowls लग रहा है, थोड़े fancy vibe. So I got 2 boxes of it, one for this house and one for that house. Okay, so inside this we have a lot of things as well. Oh my god. काफी कुछ है. रुक जा. एक करके बताती हूँ. So we have the first thing is Alexa. So I got Echo Dot. 2 Echo Dots, one for this house, one for that house, and this one has clock in it. Amazon sale का यही best part रहता है. Amazon का कुछ भी ले लो, बहुत अच्छा discount मिल जाता है उसपे. So yeah, I got like twin का pack, so the bulb was free along with this. Next thing I got is this chopper, vegetable chopper. You guys might have seen me use this a lot in my like cooking videos. So एक वो house के लिए भी ले ली मैं. Okay, next I got some Skechers के chappals. So these are. Is this original Skechers? पता नहीं यार, मतलब box ऐसा है इसका. Made in China. So not original. It doesn't look like it's original. I'm like confused, but they look so cool, right? So yeah, they look something like that. It's like platform. Obviously, I'm a short girl, so I like things with heels on. The next thing I got is a charcoal electronic toothbrush. This fancy बनने का शौक था मेरे को. Try करना था, तो got it. This was also on discount by the way, so that's why I got it. And I'll use it and let you know how it is, but अभी के लिए तो काफी simple लग रहा है. The next thing I got is, oh my god, okay, so these are like colorful knives. Amazon की company से ही है ये, and they are quite huge, man. I didn't expect them to be like this huge. छोटे वाले भी है. There's this one which is tiny. It's in green. काफी sharp होती है. मेरे को खुद को cut करने का कोई शौक नहीं है. सामने I'm gonna show you guys. कितने 6 pieces है. इतने बड़े का क्या करूंगी मैं? डर लग रहा है भाई. काफी बड़ी है भाई. Skechers का एक और. Okay, this looks like original, right? थोड़ा वो तो ओरिजिनल लग भी नहीं रहा मेरे को. बट ये भी Skechers का नहीं. ये अलग ब्रांड है क्या? I got this one for my mom. Oh, this looks like Skechers. It's light in weight as well. So this is a sandal that I got for my mom. Okay, guys, last box for today. हालत देख रहे हो मेरी? Okay, finally it's open, and inside we have. हे भगवान, I swear ये सिर्फ एक छोटी सी चीज होगी, इसके लिए इतना बड़ा पैकिंग करके दिया होगा. मैं देख लिया. Okay, so we have a dustbin. This is what it looks like, but inside it has this extra bucket. इसके अंदर actually कचरा जाएगा, तो if I wanna like empty it out, I just have to remove this. Oh yes, so this is क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रिज के अंदर रखने के लिए जो मैट होती है वो है. So it's transparent clear and it's set of 6 I think. So got that. And finally the last thing in this is a bag that I got for my mom. So Lavi's hai, like you can see, and it's a plain black bag. It's smaller than what I expected it to be, so may have to return this. मेरी mom पे depend करता है if she wanna use this or not. But हाँ, थोड़ी छोटी size है. Like I expected like a proper tote size, but I got this for like 600-700 rupees, and Lavi ke bags is what my mom use for like roll. So yeah, that is everything that I got, guys. Finally, it's over. Thank you for watching, guys. I really hope you guys had fun, and I can't wait to actually go ahead and just set everything there and arrange it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys would like to see more such unboxing in the future, इतना सारा तो नहीं होगा, but थोड़ा छोटा सा हो सकता है. तो don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also make sure you have subscribed to my channel for more house related fun stuff and everything. And I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.